we going to talk about?
The human body.
Cool. Can you tell me the names of some organ systems?
Muscular system, skeleton system, nervous system.
Okay. Let me pick one that you didn't mention. The digestive system.
Yeah.
How does that work?
When you digest your food that you eat.
Okay. So can you tell me how that happens? You take your food and you put it in where?
In your mouth.
And then?
Then it goes through your esophagus to the stomach.
Okay.
The stomach pulls it through the intestine. Then large intestine. Then it goes to the bathroom.
All right. And let me pick another one that you didn't mention. The respiratory system. How does that work?
With the lungs.
How? So start with where you breathe.
With your nose. Through the windpipe.
What is? Do you know what that? Okay, cool.
And then it goes through the lungs.
Goes into the lungs, and what happens there?
And then you breathe out carbon dioxide.
Okay, you didn't say what we breathed in.
And we breathe in oxygen.
I see. And where does that exchange happen? The exchange of gases?
In the lungs.
In the lungs. Where?
Inside the lungs.
Inside the lungs, there is some specific body part which is responsible for the exchange of gases. And do you know how it looks? Like broccoli florets.
Alveoli.
Alveoli, yeah, that's the one responsible for the exchange of gases. And then let's talk about the excretory system. What happens over there?
You poop.
And
Excrete your body waste.
Okay, in solid and liquid form, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and can you name some body organs that are responsible for that?
The intestine.
Okay.
And the stomach.
Okay, and who makes pissy?
The kidneys.
The kidneys. And how does it go out?
It goes out from your pee-pee.
Of course, but what is that tube called from the kidney?
The urine.
The tube, ureter.
Ureter.
Yes, and where is the
Urethra.
Okay, that's the tube through which it comes out. The urethra, that's right. What's the bag called where the urine is stored?
Where the urine is stored?
Before.
In the bladder.
That's correct. And what happens when the bladder becomes full?
You have to go.
You had to go. That's right.
You run to the bathroom.
That's right. All right. So when you eat food, you know that you can taste, right?
Yeah.
How do you taste?
With your taste buds.
And where are the taste buds?
In your tongue.
In your tongue. Okay. Okay. When people talk, what's the body part that works?
It vibrates.
Okay. What is that? What's that body part called?
The throat.
No. The voice box.
The voice. The larynx.
The larynx. That's right. How many lungs do you have?
2.
2 lungs. And where's your heart?
There.
I see. And how many parts does it have?
How many parts? 4.
4. And what are they called?
The auricles and ventricles.
Okay. How many auricles? How many ventricles?
2 auricles, 2 ventricles.
Okay. And the heart is part of the circulatory system, right? So what does the heart do?
It circulates the blood through the body.
I see. How? The heart is just in one place. How does the blood go through all the body?
It comes